Hey, today I'd like to give you a brief overview of our latest HD video conferencing device AP-HVC200 and HVC500. We'll be demonstrating both phone call and video conferencing. Both devices has console LED audio in and out, video out, effects as USB, and the only difference is HVC500 has one more video in and output. First, I will give you a brief overview of menu. Starting from the left, we have dial pad, which you may dial the number simply by pressing the keypad. And we have favorite, which you may use to dial your frequently using phone number. We also have a phone book, recent call menu to check outgoing and incoming call, camera setup, which you may control the entire movement of camera such as PTZ and zoom. And we also have a tool to control both voice and microphone setup and screen layout. And finally, we have a setup. To show how to engage in a phone conversation using camera control setup, press the extension number we have already registered in IPPBX. Let's call to the other party. And you may change the layout or pen tilt or zoom for local. And if you want to change the camera control, in order to pen tilt or zoom the camera, which is located in remote area, click on camera control. And click on remote, back to camera, and you should be able to tilt or pen or even zoom in and out. Okay, and then when you click on the screen layout, you may be able to change the view of participants. Let's split the screen into two by clicking this. The second demonstration is video conferencing. We have already assigned our conference room and each conference participants were registered in our MCU. Let's go ahead, dial the video conference number 7777. Okay. Now we have 3 participants engaged in video conferencing now. And at the right top of the screen, you may see chair status icon. And at the bottom of right, you see information button. And if you want to see the party's information, click on the information button. And go ahead and click on party information. And you'll see the number of participants as of now. So Tom, Michael, Jenny is already registered. And okay, and press request floor to have a right to speak. So now Tom has a right to speak. When you see this, the microphone image is displayed on the screen. That means the person has a right to speak. If you want to forward your right to speak, then click on the person and then click on give floor. That means Michael now has a right to speak. And then say if Jenny is very annoying somehow when you are in a conversation, you kind of want to get rid of her at this point, click on Jenny and simply click on remove to get rid of her. So now we don't see Jenny's in this conference, but Tom and Michael are the only one who's participating in this conversation.